Harvard announced and implemented this year a set of sanctions that punish Harvard students for joining private, off-campus, single-gender social organizations.
They have suffered as almost every all-women social organization has been forced to close its doors or commit to admitting men against the ideals upon which they were founded. Even before the sanctions supposedly went into effect, students have been plagued by fear, as they have been asked in fellowships interviews, law school admissions interviews, and more about their involvement or agreement with the policy.
Harvard wields enormous power and authority over young men and women that go to school here. They need to do that with responsibility and respect. The reckless way they've gone about these sanctions is completely unacceptable. Let me point out a few hypocrisies in this whole process. The former university president is a graduate of an all-women's college and serves as a trustee for that college.
Harvard, through its threats, intimidation, and coercion, has shut down virtually all of the women's organizations, and in violation of the students' rights to freedom of association, their rights to be free of discrimination. And we also have a claim in our lawsuit about the space that Delta Gamma has, the Cove. Harvard has taken away these women's-only spaces that students had access to for so long, spaces in which they could form communities, share their values, share their messages, and bond as sisters.
The sanctions policy punishes Harvard students based on both their own sex and also based on the sex of the people the student chooses to associate with. And that is discrimination twice over, plain and simple.